We're back at the Foot Locker outlet. One of my favorite spots out in East LA. And I definitely came to check out some running shoes, and look at this. The Bondi 8s, 60 effing dollars. Are you serious? This is the cheapest price we've ever seen. These $60 for these bad boys retail for $165, $100 off. I definitely came to check out the running shoes. They got the Ghost, they got the Glycerins. What the hell are these? The Rincon 4s right here. I don't know if I can run in those, but they're comfy as hell. I swear that's cheaper than the Hoka outlet. They had a bunch of these in a bunch of different colors, the Forever Runs, and I think this is the only one I see. I think this is the only one I see right here. Yeah, $40, still a solid price. These retail for like $150. Oh wait, I'm tripping. They got a few different colors here, going for $40 a piece. $40 a piece. I did pass on these a while back. The Forever Run Nitros. They're pretty comfy. And they got these right here as well. The Saucony Guides right here. And these are, I think these are one of their more plush shoes for running. And they got stuff like this. Look at this. The Zion 3s, $25. For Zion 3s, are you effing serious? Got multiple colorways, holy crap. And then the Currys, still got one of these left for 30 freaking bucks. That's freaking insane. And I did forget to check, I don't know what to call this, the last chance section or something, last size section. But they got Forces for 60, these Jordan 1 Elevates right here, 70, some Jordan boots for 70, Superstars for 50. And got some LeBrons, what is that, $100. The GT Jump 2s, I can't believe they still got these. And the GT Cut 3s right here. Both of these with their really good cushioning, $100. I feel like they've had these NMDs forever. And then Adizero SLs right here. 99% sure that's the last size. It's like a super big size. Size 13 right here. The size Light Strike Pro for $39.99. Freaking solid deal. I wish I saw these earlier here when they had bigger ones or little ones, smaller ones, more sizes, whatever. Wish I checked up on it, dang it. And they still got these $40 for Ultra Boost. Are you serious? This is a size 10, which is a size 9 women's. Or size 9 men's. My bad, size 9 men's. Should I get this for my kiddo? One thing is they don't do returns here. That's the only thing. But $40 for Ultra Boost, that is just crazy cheap. Crazy cheap. And I've been looking for just comfortable shoes for my kiddo. $40. Sent a picture of this to my kiddo. See if he wants that one. That's a crazy deal. And they got the MBs right here. Palm slides right here. And they don't just have sneakers at crazy prices. They have accessories, underwear, whatever you want to call it. Got socks here as well. They got apparel. They got women's section over here. And even a kid's Foot Locker that's attached. A slide section over here, or all Crocs. And then even hats at pretty discounted prices. And this is kind of a new thing. They've been having bags and stuff like that as well. My kiddo's not with me, so this is a size 9 right here, the Bondis. I texted him to see if he wants these or those Ultra Boosts. Such good deals. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is amazing. And both are his size. And then I didn't even see these right here. They've had these for a while. These are the Clifton suedes right here. Got navy, got tan. Uppers. Not bad, dude. Not bad. $60. These retail for $170. They also got the Bad Bunnies right here. Bigger size though. Size 13 or something like that. But they got these going for $60. These retail for $160. And then the Currys right here. These are the Curry 12s. This is the latest Curry right here. $70. This is the cheapest we've seen these anywhere. Such a good effing deal. That is just crazy. Such a good place for style. Such a good place for performance. Just a lot of good stuff here. So they got plenty of sizes in these right here. I wonder if I should get mine. And I wonder if I should get one for my kiddo. I'm gonna be honest, I really like these. This one matches uniform too, because he does have a uniform in school. They do have multiple sizes. I'm either choosing this or this. I have a feeling my kiddo's gonna choose this, but if he chooses that, I'm gonna grab one of these because I like these. These are comfy, man. I use the black ones all the time. These aren't the wide, these are the regular ones. The E's are the wide ones. But these are still wide though, like wide compared to most other shoes. So might have to pull the trigger. They do have a 10.5. I finally heard back from my kiddo. He prefers this one. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember where I took off. I've been talking to people. I've been distracted by this too. Freaking A, dude. All right, let's go see what's up in the apparel section real quick. Bringing out my 10.5 as well as a size 9 in the Hoka Bondi 8s. The Bondi 9s are the current one. Oh, we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But yeah, do got some New Balance hoodies right here, $30. The Jordan t-shirt, this is a medium right here. Like the painted one. I don't see a price tag though. Dang it. Jordan shirt right here, $20 for this one, normally $42. Tech fleece right here, $50 for this tech fleece. So definitely solid deal. So let me see what size though. What size they talk about? Small and a small, and a small. More than 50% off, probably like 65% off. Both small. Got more tech fleece right here. This is a double XL, 115 down to 80 for these. And I see a jersey. All-Star jersey right here. LeBron James, and it is a small. I don't know. Oh, there's a price tag. $50, dude. $50. They have apparel deals. They have steals in the sneaker section. I see more of the. Yeah, there we go. $20 for these. I see smalls. Or small right here. Still have the Houston cheater jacket right here. A pro standard normally $160 down to $40. That is a small. Rams t-shirts. These are new era t-shirts. Normally $42. $10. 47 brand. What's this? Yeah, 47 brand Dodgers shirts right here. $10. That is an XL. They got Nike t-shirts, $10 as well. All right, do got a size 10.5. This is a size 9 right here. I'm gonna try these on. I have a pair of these at home, but I don't remember if it's a 10 or 10.5. They don't have any size 10s. So let me try it on. I think that was a pretty good pan. I can never tell. But yeah, big difference between the wides and the non-wides. Wow, the one at home is a wide, and it's way wider than this. Way wider. You can't see my feet bulging out, but this is still not bad. The Bondi 9 supposedly way more cushiony. Like this has a really big stack, but it's just OG EVA foam. It's not like really anything fancy, so it's not super cushiony. It's like decent cushioning, but it's kind of firm. It is kind of firm, but yeah, I do like them. I'm getting one for my kiddo for sure. I wonder if I should get mine. Do I really need it? No. Do I really need any shoes? No, not really. But $60. And like I said, I do like them. Can wear them with obviously white socks. Obviously not Nike either, but this is what I had in my pocket. All right, I'm gonna have to let that marinate while we look at all the men's sneakers. Like I like the way they look. All right, let's knock out the entire men's section. We start from $20 right here, then we go all the way up to $100. So for $20, they got the Club C 85s right here. They got some casual Asics, got some budget soccer cleats. If you need those for your kiddo, that's like perfect for those of you guys that have kids. Well, kids that wear bigger sizes, I guess. Do got Converse, and then Nike Calm Slides might be the cheapest. We've seen those. The Trey Youngs, been seeing those. Staple of every outlet or every clearance store. Reebok nylons, classic nylons. I showed you guys these earlier. These are, I think, the Curry 4 lows, right? Yeah, the Curry 4 lows. You got suede, the Cheeto suedes. Got regular suedes. Oh, not regular ones. The Spider-Man ones right here. $30 for the crazy ones. The old school Kobe's. Moas right here for $30. We got them in multiple colors right here. White on black, black on white, and then navy on white with gum. Rivalries, more rivalries, pink on white rivalries. Nike Calm slides in Safari colorway. Couple NMDs. Got some suede Reebok classics right here. Classic leathers, kind of interesting. I like the material on those. Got SLs, SL72s in multiple colorways. Cortez, as well as these Air Force 88s. Oh wait, there's another colorway of the SLs. MB3s right there for $40. And I showed you guys these running shoes earlier. These are the Nitro Forever Runs from Puma. They're definitely a great budget option for $40. New Balance, what are these called? The Warped Runners. If you like Reeboks, got the classic leathers. Superstars right here, $50. Got ones. MB3s. Converse basketball, is that Escapade? By Janet Jackson in the background. Got MB4s right there. And then also do got the La France right there, the casual line. Plenty of MBs. And then do got the Jordans right here, Jordan 38. Oh, that's not Escapade. But yeah, Forces, Infinity something. What, I don't know. The crazy Infinities, Air Max 90s, KDs, more KDs. 2002 Rs. Do got the Ghost, the Hokas right there, the Brooks. These are the Ghosts as well. Got some mids, highs, in multiple colorways right there. Ones, Max DNs, 2002 Rs. Another one right there, and then multiple colorways of the Vomeros. These Jordans right here. They haven't lowered the price of these in a while. Then they got these Air Forces right here. They've had these for a while, so I'm surprised they haven't dropped the price on those. A couple more Air Forces. LeBrons. GT Hustle 3s. And they got Penny 2s, a few Air Maxes. Another one of these GT, what is it? The GT Hustle 3s as well, another one. I don't know why I blanked out all of a sudden. But yeah, that's pretty much the men's line right there. Let's see what's going on with some of the hats. I don't think much has changed. If you're a Yankees fan, they do have some adjustable Yankees hats, $20. These are New Era Yankees adjustable hats. Got red ones and green ones as well. They got some of the New Era, is that medium crown hats here as well? Angels fitted hats, New Era, $10. They got the all white ones in a bunch of sizes. Oh, they got the colored ones in different sizes as well. Like the A's actually has some blue and stuff on it. Okay. And they have one little lonely Oakland hat right here. Normally $44. I don't know if it's 10 or 20. I don't know, but it's on sale. They got Nike bags right here. I don't know what the retail is because the retail tag's off. But yeah, both of these are going for $40, it looks like. This one's 40 as well, normally 50, so a little bit of a discount. See what I do have on feet. Got my Niners colorway, probably more of a Chicago colorway, but I'll use it for my Niners gear. It is some Air More up-tempo slides. These are size 11. Fit me perfectly, or the way I like it fit at least. And then did throw on some Niners gear since the Niners are playing. Hopefully they won by the time you guys watch this. Hopefully I'm talking trash to all of you fools that want to talk trash about the Niners. F you guys. Forget all you hating mofos right there. But yeah, this is the women's section right here. Kind of the same layout, goes from $20 and then it moves up to $100. I guess they only have one $20 selection. A lot of stuff for $30. Got some Jordan shifts right here going for $30. And it is a clearance store / outlet, so sizing definitely going to be an issue, but you can ask the workers. They're very good and helpful. They provide all kinds of info. You got Jordan slips right here. Jordan 2s going for $40. The 2 trays right here. You got these, what are these? The NMD S1s. Got Dunks. Got Vapor Max right there. Air Max 1s, Air Max 1s. 550s, I skipped over these. Gamma Forces right here, $50. In the background, you could see these right here. Do got some Jordan 1 highs, $50. Glycerin, $60. These retail for over $100 or $160 normally, so $100 off. Glycerins right there, wow. Air Max DNs. What the hell are these called? The warped runners? The warped? I don't know. The Max R's right there. I didn't know they made the Max R's in the women's. What the hell? I didn't know that. Cosmic Unities. Do got the Tokyo Adidas right there. Got a couple of SLs. Highs. Another one right there. Got some DNs, 2002 Rs. Then got all kinds of dunks over here, $70, $80. DNs, the shocks, we've seen those at some Ross. And then even got 990s here, you guys. 990s, these retail for $2, so 50% off. And then 270s, hard to find those on sale. Not bad, not bad. All right, we're gonna check out some of the Crocs, and I think I'm gonna head out. And I am surprised they got these here. The Valentine's Day Crocs, $30 for these bad boys. Men's 7, women's 9. They also have a women's 8 right here as well, which is probably a better size. Oh, and they got some smaller ones here. Look, women's 6. They got Pokemon ones right here for 30, including a Snorlax for 40. And a Jigglypuff down there for 40 as well. And they got regular ones for 30. Nightmare on Elm Street one, I don't know, but I'm sure it's discounted. They got the Yoda ones right here for 40. They got some decent stuff here, $30 for those right there. They got the, what is it, Nightmare Before Christmas ones for 30. Obviously sizing an issue, but definitely worth checking if you're into Crocs. I made a few bets. Raiders, my only win of the day. Are you serious? The Raiders coming through out of everybody? Definitely didn't see that coming. Definitely did not see that coming. All right, let me go pay for my stuff over here. We're getting the hell out of here. And then another thing I love about this spot, the fact that you can use your points. You could use flex points. I got another $20 off because I used 60,000 flex points because I had some. So they came out to $50 each, dude. 50 freaking dollars each. Are you serious? $50 for each of these Hokas. They retail for $165 each. So pretty good savings. You can't use the survey coupons, but you can use survey points, and you can also earn surveys. You can do surveys, and make sure you guys talk about how good the workers are and stuff, and then that helps them out. But yeah, man, I get another coupon, and I just saved $10, or no, another $20 on top of this as well, and that's what's up. Did I need them? No, not really. My kid does, but I don't really need them, but I wanted them, and I'm getting rid of some of my other sneakers, so it is what it is. But $200 off retail, crazy. Of course, if I got it for retail, I would have got the Bondi 9s, a little more comfy, but are they $100 more comfy? Nah, definitely not. For those of you guys that don't know, they do have a Foot Locker outlet / clearance store in East LA, and they got huge freaking steals on apparel as well as sneakers for men over here. They got women's shoes over here on this side. They even have a kids Foot Locker attached. And they got some crazy steals. Look at these Zion 3s right here. Signature Nike basketball shoe right here for $25. They got multiple colorways. They got some Curry Flotros here for $30 freaking dollars. Calm Slides for $20. Curry 11s for $40. And look at these Bondis. These are the Bondi 8s right here. $100 off these bad boys. They got all kinds of deals on performance sneakers as well. Such a good spot. And of course, with those prices, have to grab something. A couple of something. Full video coming out on the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Stay tuned, fool.